Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Echo Dot. Resetting your device is a crucial step for several reasons. Perhaps you're experiencing persistent connectivity issues, or maybe your Echo Dot isn't responding as it should. A factory reset can often resolve these software glitches, bringing your device back to optimal performance. It's also essential if you're planning to give your Echo Dot to someone else, ensuring all your personal data is completely erased. The most common way to reset your Echo Dot involves using its physical buttons. First, find the microphone off button and the volume down button on the top of your device. Press and hold both of these buttons at the same time. Continue holding them for approximately 20 seconds. You'll notice the light ring turn orange, then briefly blue, confirming that your Echo Dot has successfully reset to its factory settings. Alternatively, you can reset your Echo Dot using the convenient Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Simply open the app and tap on the device's icon located at the bottom of the screen. From there, select your specific Echo Dot device. Within its settings menu, you'll find an option for factory reset. Confirm your choice, and the app will guide you through the process, initiating the reset remotely. After successfully resetting your Echo Dot, it will revert to its original factory settings, just like when you first unboxed it. This means all your personal data, saved settings, and linked accounts will be completely erased. You'll then need to go through the initial setup process again, connecting it to your Wi-Fi and relinking your Amazon account. It's a fresh start for your device, ready for new configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.